It's a beautiful weather, by the way. And it wasn't in Germany because the winter time is so long over here. Look at that. So, see, I easily come into a situation that you will judge me if you understand the stuff wrong, that you will judge me wrong, and you will judge me in a way that I then look to you like a liar, and I'm not. I explained that to you. If I tell you right now I feel okay, I do recover a bit. Have you seen how fast the attack came? And my nerve system is attacked directly. To the ancestor was an attack, right? With the insect. She just could see in front of the camera. With the insect which came close to my face. Was it an attack by a third creature? So by another creature? Yes or no? If yes, please trigger the wind clearly. See, he's lifting it up. Shake it a little bit if you can, if you want to agree. He's shaking it. Okay? So he's saying yes with that. And my nerve system got attacked a second after I started to try to explain to you that I feel okay at that moment in time. A millisecond later we have the next moment and my nerve system got attacked in that way that you could see it. Not by your ancestor, is correct. By witness, correct as well. I asked your ancestor, is that true? Then please agree to that by triggering the wind clearly. So it's your opinion. Trigger the wind clearly, please. I could see you did trigger it a bit, but can you trigger it clearly? You will. I received a body signal, so he will trigger the wind now. And yes or no? Yes. And he will agree to that. So please start to do so. So you are not agreeing, is that correct? You are not agreeing, is that correct? Can you agree to that? That you are not agreeing? Then just use a higher wind level, a much higher wind level, because you have to be clear. And for your understanding, just a lot of, well, not a lot of people, but 3 guys just came by. I'm here at the barbecue place. 3 guys came by just a second ago and took a seat. Is that what the ancestor is confusing? Yes or no? So have you been as a creature confused because they walked by? Then trigger the wind clearly. To the ancestor, do you want to keep going with communication, yes or not? Yes or not? I don't care about other people now. I'm communicating with you and with her, even if we are in public. So do you want to communicate and trigger the wind for that, please, clearly? Awareness, the alarm. So you heard the alarm, right? So an ambulance drove by. Okay, because my memory is working in that way that I forget everything directly. Can you agree? Yes or no? And if yes, please trigger the wind now. If these people have any problems, they can come to me, I can talk to them, it's that easy. He's presenting the star back there, he turned that thing, but I want you to trigger the wind level, if you can agree. Can you agree, yes or no? So then trigger the wind now if you want to say yes, or I take that as your no and as your position. So you cannot identify the attacker, is that correct? Then please say yes. Say yes by using the wind. See, that can happen right now. Your ancestor is in my human body. and he's communicating with me by body signals, and that's not acceptable, because he communicated to me, want to communicate with you in a way that you can see and understand it. Here now 3 people, Muslims in that case. For some people it's a problem if people like me are connected with ancestors. So people like me can get attacked for that and killed because of religions even. Is that your problem? I'm asking the ancestor. So is there a security issue? I show you that. See that? These were the people where your ancestor was confused. And what is that? It's like the insect. It's an animal biological body which can get used for attacks, and the people are running away.